You can open the distribution command from the irrigation menu or by clicking on the toolbar icon. When the command opens, the %complete bar will appear at the bottom of the screen and the precipitation rate column will read Calculating. You can press the Escape key to exit the command during this process. The command is calculating the area, flow rate, and the average precipitation rate of each zone. Once the calculations are complete, you will see the precipitation rates appear in the precipitation rate column. The distribution command will create a densogram of the selected sprinkler zones displaying the coverage. You can display a densogram for a single zone, multiple zones, or for the entire design. Simply click on the checkboxes to the left of each zone number and click on the Show Densogram for Checked Zones button. The densogram will display the coverage based on the amount of water applied to any area. The driest areas will appear in white, with the wettest areas appearing in the darkest shade of blue. The command reads the distribution data for each sprinkler from the sprinkler's database. If data does not exist for the sprinkler, the distribution pattern for the sprinkler is assumed to be even over the entire radius of throw. In instances where actual distribution data does not exist for each nozzle, the densogram will not be totally accurate, but will serve as a good guideline for potential wet and dry areas. If the Adjust Densogram for Coverage Analysis checkbox is checked, the densogram will even out the coverage to make it easier to spot holes or dry spots in the sprinkler layout. Click on the Insert Data on Drawing button to place the calculations on the drawing screen in a table format. Adjust any of the font settings as necessary, and click on the Place Text Table button. Set one point on the design screen for the top left corner of the table. The total irrigated area for the project will be less than the sum of the area for each zone. Sprinklers from different zones will sometimes overlap one another and throw into the same area. This fact will duplicate the area in some instances. Click on the Close button to exit the command.